10 kitchen design mistakes you're probably making. Designing a kitchen can be exhilarating, as it's the heart of the home where functionality and style need to meet seamlessly. However, it's easy to make mistakes that can impact the space's efficiency and aesthetic. Whether you're embarking on a renovation or building from scratch, knowing these common kitchen design blunders can help you avoid costly errors and create a kitchen that truly works for you. Here are 10 kitchen design mistakes you're probably making. 1. Ignoring the work triangle. The work triangle concept, the optimal distance between the stove, sink, and refrigerator, is essential for efficient kitchen workflow. Ignoring this can result in a kitchen that's cumbersome and frustrating to navigate. Poor layout decisions can lead to excessive walking back and forth, making cooking and cleaning less efficient. 2. Poor lighting. A kitchen with inadequate lighting feels dark and uninviting. Relying solely on overhead lighting without considering task lighting can make food preparation difficult and potentially unsafe. Layering ambient, task, and accent lighting is crucial to create a bright and welcoming space. 3. Not enough counter space. Counter space is one of the most valuable assets in a kitchen. Without sufficient room to prepare food, appliances and clutter can quickly take over, making the kitchen feel cramped. Prioritizing ample counter space will ensure you have enough room to work comfortably and efficiently. 4. Choosing style over functionality. While it's tempting to go for the latest design trends, choosing style over practicality can result in a kitchen that looks good but doesn't cater to your day-to-day needs. Aesthetics are important, but not at the expense of usability and convenience. Focus on functional design elements first, then find stylish ways to incorporate them. 5. Inadequate storage solutions. A lack of storage or poorly planned storage solutions can lead to disorganization and clutter. This not only affects the kitchen's appearance but also its functionality, making it hard to find items when needed. Utilizing smart storage solutions like pull-out shelves and deep drawers can maximize space and keep everything organized. 6. Forgetting about ventilation. Good ventilation is critical in a kitchen to remove odors, steam, and smoke. Ignoring this can leave lingering smells and even lead to moisture problems over time, which can damage cabinets and walls. Installing a quality range hood or ventilation system will keep the air fresh and clean. 7. Overlooking the importance of flooring. The kitchen is a high-traffic area that requires durable, easy-to-clean flooring. Choosing the wrong material can result in flooring that wears out quickly or is difficult to maintain. Opting for materials like tile, vinyl, or engineered wood will ensure your kitchen floor is both stylish and practical. 8. Mismatched appliances. Mismatched appliances can disrupt the visual flow of the kitchen, making the space look disjointed. Consistency in style and color helps to create a cohesive and harmonious design. Choosing appliances from the same line or brand can enhance the overall look and feel of your kitchen. 9. Neglecting the backsplash. A backsplash not only protects your walls from splashes and stains but also adds a design element to the kitchen. Neglecting this can leave the kitchen looking unfinished and harder to clean. A thoughtfully chosen backsplash can tie together the entire design, providing both function and style. 10. Underestimating the budget. Many homeowners fail to budget properly, leading to compromises in quality or incomplete projects. Without a realistic budget, you may find yourself cutting corners or running out of funds midway. Planning for a comprehensive budget that includes a buffer for unexpected expenses is essential for a successful kitchen renovation. Avoiding these common kitchen design blunders can transform your space into a functional, stylish, and enjoyable part of your home. Whether you're renovating or designing a kitchen from scratch, keeping these tips in mind will help you create a kitchen that not only looks great but works efficiently for your daily needs.